My boyfriend's snoring has been driving me up the wall. It's not just regular snoring, we're talking earth-shattering, window-rattling noise that could wake the neighbors 3 houses down. Living together seemed perfect at first, but now every night is a battle between sleep and what sounds like a freight train in our bedroom. I've tried everything: earplugs, white noise machines, even sleeping in separate rooms. Nothing helps. The last straw came when I recorded his snoring. The decibel meter showed readings that rivaled a vacuum cleaner. I showed him the recording, hoping he'd understand my struggle. His response? He laughed it off and said I was being dramatic. Now I'm considering moving back to my old apartment just to get some decent rest. My friends think I'm overreacting, but they don't have to live with this nightly symphony of chaos. I never thought snoring would be the thing that could tear a relationship apart, but here we are. Maybe love isn't actually stronger than the need for a good night's sleep.